Did you know only 4% of engineers are employable in software-related jobs at startups? Around 3% of engineers possess new-age skills in areas such as AI, machine learning, data science. The speed of technological innovation and industry demands is moving faster than current education's ability to adapt. We continue to focus on lectures and exams, leaving students underprepared to join today's workforce. So, is there a solution to it? A way out for students to become what they should be in today's world? Presenting infyni. Infyni is a multi-language supported platform where students learn from industry experts through live sessions, practice on infyni cloud labs, get an opportunity to work on live projects, and build direct networks with industry professionals. We recognize that learning is interactive, and we've built a platform that allows instructors and students to interact with each other. Platform also brings deep dive courses in latest technologies for working professionals who want to upskill and be more competitive in the industry. Through our interactive and live session learning platform, you can enroll in any course of your choice taught by an industry expert. You learn anywhere, anytime, and still have a wonderful and productive learning experience with a certificate of completion, support for internship and placements. Wondering how it works? Just a few simple, easy steps. Browse courses from list of courses. Select your courses, complete your enrollment, attend live sessions from your dashboard, clarify doubts in real time, interact with instructors and peers for any doubt. infyni engage instructors who are expert practitioners in their fields and gives opportunities to monetize their knowledge. Learning and networking from industry experts have never been easier. Be a part of infyni community. Visit www.infyni.com.